Hello everyone, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the ESP8266 NONOS SDK GPIO LED hardware. Okay, so the first things we will turn on one LED, light one LED. Okay, the second thing we'll use a software timer to blink one LED. Okay, so before we go for the coding, let's take a look at the hardware. Okay, so in our video, we always use this ESP01 module. Okay, so the module has two LED. One is this is a blue LED. Another one is this is a red LED. We will control this blue LED. Okay, the blue LED, if you use the module meter, you can measure the connection from this pin to here. This pin connected to this pin, and this register, this pin will connect to the VCC. Okay, so the schematic of the hardware will be like this. Okay, the LED one pin connected TX, which is this TX, which is this pin. Okay, is this pin. The register, this register one pin will connect the VCC. Okay, VCC. Okay, so this is the hardware connection. When we apply a low voltage here, the LED will turn on. When we apply the high voltage here, the LED will turn off. Okay, so the next things, let's take a look at the coding. Okay, so we will use a software to blink the LED. So we copy this folder, copy and paste. Okay, so we rename it. So this will be GPIO LED test. Okay, and we will open the user folder, user main.c. Okay, so we no need use this for currently. We remove it first. Okay, so we will add it. The first things we will set in the function of the pin. So let's take a look at this picture. So this is the multi-function of the pin. We will use the TX, right? So the TX, the function 0 is TX, and the function 3 is a GPIO1. We will use it as a GPIO1. So we need setting the function as a GPIO1. Okay, so let's take a look how to setting it. We will use this function to setting the pin function select. So pin function select means we select which kind of function for the pin. Okay, so let's take a look it in which folder, it in which head files. Okay, so it is in ego soc.h files. It is here. So we also can directly go to the definition. Oh no, it's here. Go to definition. Okay, so we will including this head file first. because we will use the function from it. Okay, so we including the head file. Also remember one thing, the head file is from here. So it's from here, it's in this include folder. So we directly include it. Include and equal SOC. Okay. So let's take a look inside the function. So let's go to definition. It is here. So the first one is the pin name. The second one is a function. What kind of function need to setting to the pin? So let's go up. You will see here there is lots of define here. We will use the TX one. So let's go to find the TX one. Okay. So the TX RX is here, TX is here. So we will set in this pin, and we set in what kind of function? We will set in the TX GPIO1 function. Okay. We will set in this. So this to setting this pin TX as a function as GPIO1. Okay. So next, so we will output a low level to the pin to according the schematic. We will output a low voltage here. Then the LED will turn on. Okay. And how to apply the GPIO as a low voltage? We use this function, GPIO output set. Okay, we use this define. Set what? Set GPIO ID pin. So we use define to get the pin number, get the pin ID, and then we set what? We set it as 0. Okay, 0 means low level. Okay, so we save it. So and this function, we take a look. Go to definition. It is in GPIO. It's is also in the include folder GPIO, and it is here. And so we need also include the folder. Okay, include the head file. Okay, GPIO.h. Okay, we save it. So next step is to compile and run it to see whether this LED will turn on or not. This is a red LED. It is a power LED. When the module is power on, it is always turn on. Okay, so let's compile it. So 1, 2, 3. We changed it before. Okay, so we use this terminal, and we start it from scratch. Okay, so we mount it first, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we take a look and go to the share folder, and take a look and go to the ESP this folder, and we go to the GPIO LED test folder, and we take a look, and we use the this.sh to compile it. So here we choose 2, and here we choose 0, here we choose 2, here we choose 2, and this we choose 2. Okay, so compile. Okay, just a few minutes. It should be fine. Okay, so it's already finished the compile, and let's open the download tool to download it. Okay, so this is the download tool, and we open it. Okay, it's opening. Okay, it's here. So this is the tools. So we already plug it, and we are already plugging. Take a look here. This is the module, and then start. Oh, we need to choose the right command, and then start. Okay, so it's finished. So we remove the download pin, and we also remove the work mode pin and plug it in. So you will see it. There is another the two LED already turned on. One is the red one, another one is the blue one. Okay, so let's do the next step. Okay, the next step we will use the software timer to blink it. Okay, so how we do it? So it's very simple actually. So we just need to copy this, replace this. Okay, and we will open this as we discussed it before. This is a software timer. Okay, so the next step, this is a callback function. The next step, we define a flag. It's a chart. Okay, so the flag is GPIO flag equal to 0. So when the timing is when the time is coming, and if the GPIO flag equal to 0, we let the GPIO output a low voltage and turn on the LED. Okay, turn on the LED. Then we set in the flag equal to 1, and else if the flag is 1, we output our GPIO is high voltage. This is high. Okay, and we change the flag to 0. So by this way, they will switch each other's. They will switch between each other's and turn on the LED and turn off the LED. Okay, so this every 3 seconds to change it. Okay, we save it, and we compare it again here. So we use this to compare it. 2. This is 0. This is 2. Oh, it's 2. Okay. This is 2. This is 2. Okay, so now it's finished. So let's download it and test it. So we need to plug we need to plug the let's take a look at the module. We need to plug the download pin. Plug on the download pin here, and we also plug the working mode. So, and then we download it. Okay, it's not synchronized. And then we plug it in and plug it out. Start it. Stop. Start it. I have some problem about the download. You restart the software. Restart this software and plug the module again. Then let's try. So, and so we open it again. A few moments. Okay, it's here. And then we choose the command and start. Okay, it's already beginning to download. So when you have some problem to the download, you unplug the USB and restart the download software, and choose the correct command port, and then try to download it again. Okay, we close it. Okay, so we remove the download pin, and we remove the working mode pin and plug it again. So you will see. One moment. Oh, it's not blinking. Let's take a check the code. That is a very interesting thing you will see in the code, and it's here. So we download the software and it doesn't blink. So the reason is here. So we initialize the UR again, but initialize the UR again means we switch this pin to the TX again. So the GPIO function doesn't work at all. Let's try to remove this function, remove this one line to take a look what will be happen. Okay, so it also tell us some debug way to do when we, okay, let's do the 0. And let's choose 2, and let's choose 2, and let's choose 2. Okay, so let's see what will happen for this time. And so last time after we select the pin function, we initialize this UR again. So that means this function didn't work. The GPIO function didn't work. So let's see this time how it is. Okay, so it's still one LED over there, and I will to choose this, and the code already finished the compile. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Okay, so the software is here, and then we choose the right command, and we will start to download. Okay, it's download. Oh, okay, finish. So let's try it again to see this time will be blink or not. And then we plug it again. Okay, this time it's blinking. You can see here. And turn off right now. 3 seconds. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Okay, so that's very interesting things you will see here. And so for the setting, we need to choose the GPIO function for this pin. And if you initialize the UR here, the GPIO function will not working. Okay, that's it. So we light one LED and use the software timer to blink one LED. That's it. I'm Michael. I hope you like